Under sources of international law, the first one is custom. So, customary principles are the foundation for sources of international law. So, large part of the international law was consisted the majority rules are customary principles only. According to Westclock defined the custom as that it is a obligatory by the nations. So, what I was written, I am read out. Westclock defines custom as that line of conduct which the society has consented to regard as obligatory. Means when there is an obligation throughout the nations, that is considered as a customs. The customary principles which are regarded as a obligatory, such principles are called customs. So for the obligation to impose that obligation, consent is required. That is the next point. The obligation is based upon the common consent of the nations. When a principle is called customary principle, to exist a principle as a customary principle, it required three compulsory elements in order to establish the existence of an international custom. Following elements are required. What are they? They are nothing but first one, duration of time, second, consistency, and the third one is generality. These three elements are required. First one, time duration, uniformity or consistency, or generality. So under duration, when a customary principle is completed 100 years, then it is considered as a customary principle. Means after implementation a rule, it continuously obligated by the nation more than 100 years, then it is considered as a customary principle. It is the initial days they are considered like that, but right now, even irrespective of time duration, some are considered as a customary principles. For example, continental shelf. There is a concept that continental shelf. It was introduced in 1945, and by 1958 it becomes as a customary principle under international law. Means it is introduced 1945, by 1958 it becomes a customary principle. Means that 100 years is not required. Means time duration under international sense to become as a custom, time duration, how the time duration is irrespective of timing, based on the obligation, how the nations are implementing that particular rule. That is the main concern. Next, that custom should be maintained consistently and should be accepted in general. Means many states should be obey that customary principles, then only it is called as a customary principle or customary rule. So these customary rules are confirmed by ILC, and ILC was written. So first ILC is International Law Commission, second ILC is International Legal Conferences. That is the reason why I was written. If you write in short forms, two terminology will get the same short. That is the better to avoid that. Better to write complete abbreviation we have to write. So International Law Commission and International Legal Conferences are confirmed these customary principles as a sources of international law.